Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TubeBuddy for title and tag optimization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate TubeBuddy for title and tag optimization, first, open your web browser. Next, navigate to the TubeBuddy website. If you haven't already, sign up for a TubeBuddy account. Once you're signed in, go to the YouTube studio. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Channel. Now, click on the feature. Ensure that your account is verified and has no restrictions. Return to the main page of TubeBuddy. Locate the TubeBuddy extension in your browser's extension menu. If you haven't installed the extension yet, click on the installation link and follow the prompts. After installation, click on the TubeBuddy icon in your browser. Sign in using your TubeBuddy account credentials. Once you're logged in, refresh your YouTube Studio dashboard. Look for TubeBuddy's features on the right side of your screen. Here, you can access various tools for title and tag optimization. To start, select a video you want to optimize. Click on the TubeBuddy icon next to the video title. Choose Keyword Explorer from the drop-down menu. Enter potential titles or keywords related to your content. TubeBuddy will analyze your input and provide a score. Review the suggestions, focusing on SEO score and search volume. Select the best title based on this analysis. Next, go back to the TubeBuddy menu. Choose Tag Explorer. Input keywords relevant to your video. TubeBuddy will suggest tags based on your keywords. Pick appropriate tags and copy them to your video's tag section. Make sure to balance popular and niche tags for better visibility. Once you have updated your title and tags, save your changes. You have now successfully activated TubeBuddy for title and tag optimization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.